Key error is a Python exception that is raised when you try to access a key that does not exist in a dictionary. In other words, the key you are trying to access is not present in the dictionary. Here's an example. When run you this code, this kind of error you find in this code, the key D does not exist in the dictionary my_dict, so attempting to access it with my_dict, D, will raise a key error with the message, D. To fix this error, you can either make sure that the key exists in the dictionary or handle the exception with the try except block. Here's an example of the latter. In this case, the try block attempts to access the key D in the dictionary my_dict. If the key is not found, a key error will be raised and caught by the except block, which will print a message indicating that the key was not found. Now let's run this code.